Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're going to be talking about day trading, specifically gap trading. The morning gaps is by far the single best and most consistent and profitable day trading strategy available in the markets today. We're looking at a chart of Smith & Wesson, which was one of the gap trades from this morning. And you can see here the purple lines running across the screen horizontally. 24.93 was one of the levels that was given out to members this morning for a potential gap trade at that level, which means the stock is gapping down at the open, and we're able to identify a level where that stock should have a price reaction in the other direction. In this case, it should have a price reaction higher from that 24.93 level. We traded slightly below it, but you can see here, now we're at 25.44, which is a nice gain off the level of 24.93 identified at 9 o'clock this morning before the market even opened. Let's go a step further and check out the email that went out to subscribers this morning. So here we had three potential gap trades this morning. Twitter, Medicines Company, which there's another video that was another winning gap trade. Well, we're not going to talk about that one in this video. We're going to focus on Smith & Wesson, SWHC. You can see here I say gap lower. Support levels are $24.93 and $23.60. Stop and profit target is about 20 to 35 cents. Let's go back to Smith & Wesson and take a look to see what happened. So here's a 10-minute chart of Smith & Wesson, and you can see here the stock closed yesterday all the way up in this zone at $26.16. It was gapping down at the open, creating an opportunity if you can find and identify a level where that stock should have a price reaction in the other direction. That level identified, and this is exactly what I teach in my course. I teach you how to do the exact same thing. The level was $24.93, and you can see here we traded slightly lower than that, but still within the stop loss limitation. The stock reversed, and you can see here now the stock is trading at $25.34, getting as high as about $25.50. That's a very nice gain for an intraday scalp trade or day trade. In my course at LazyGapTrader.com, A, I teach you exactly how to do this, and B, I also teach you how to take a trade like this and turn it into a risk-free, emotionless trade so that you're able to get the most out of the trade throughout the day as possible. You have to come over to LazyGapTrader.com, see what we're doing. I teach you exactly how to do this for yourself each and every day. Listen, as we get into earnings season, these gap trades are going to come fast and furious, and there's just a mountain of opportunity each and every day in the market. If you can identify the levels where a stock is likely to reverse, you can print money for yourself in this market. You can turn day trading into a full-time income if you have the desire, the discipline, and the knowledge to do it. So out of the three possible gap trades this morning, two were winners, and let's take a look real quick at Twitter just to see what happened. Even though it didn't hit the level, I want to show you the power of these levels. So here we're on a 60-minute chart of Twitter, and you can see the levels that I identified for everybody this morning. There were three possible levels. The first one was at $19.49. And you can see here, let me just move this over a little bit. You can see here that the stock came as low as $19.61, just missing the level by 12 cents before getting a bounce higher. And now it's already traded above $20. That would have been a tremendous gain on an intraday scalp trade. But even though we missed the level, it just goes to show you the power of these levels that I teach you in my course how to get for yourself each and every day. Come over, check out the course, folks. This is a wonderful, wonderful trading opportunity. I'm David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. Thanks for tuning in, folks.